Welcome to Hootsuite's platform training course. This short course is a tactical, video-based learning experience. It's designed to efficiently get you up to speed on the Hootsuite dashboard so you get results faster. Those who want to prove their Hootsuite knowledge can also take the platform certification exam to show off their skills to customers and colleagues. In the first chapter, you'll learn the fundamentals of using Hootsuite. We'll show you how to set up your dashboard so you can compose, schedule, and publish messages to multiple social media networks. You'll also learn social listening tactics so you can efficiently engage with your audience across multiple channels. And we'll give you a tour of the Hootsuite mobile app so you can manage social conversations while on the go. All Hootsuite users have access to an extensive ecosystem of tools in the app directory. We'll help you navigate the directory to further customize your dashboard and enhance your workflow. Once you're comfortable with the fundamentals, the course moves on to advanced uses of Hootsuite in the next chapter. Here, we'll teach you how to manage your content publishing schedule more efficiently with the planner. You'll be able to review scheduled content in a calendar view and easily revise details in one place. You'll also learn to schedule hundreds of messages in bulk, saving time and increasing efficiency. This chapter also helps you bridge the gap between organic and paid by teaching you how to put advertising dollars behind posts that are already performing well. The advanced chapter also teaches you next-level listening tactics like geo searches and Twitter lists. And we show you how to improve audience engagement with the Inbox tool, where incoming private and public social messages can be actioned in one place. Finally, you'll learn about Hootsuite Analytics, so you can track key metrics across social networks, build custom reports, and accurately measure the ROI of your social efforts. Once you've completed the Hootsuite platform training course, take the certification exam to cement yourself as a Hootsuite expert. Certified professionals receive a registered certificate that can be added to LinkedIn as a credential.